Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and let me show you how to group rows and columns in your Google Sheets. It's very simple, very easy. For example, we want to group our rows for any reason. Select the rows you want to group or hide and select them, okay? Right click on it and hit over here, view more actions, and group rows 2 to 13, and it will group the row. You can see this minus button over here. If I click this minus button, it will hide my selection. You can do this over here also, and group, for example, this. Okay, now you can to expand, just click the plus button and you will see all the data. To group the columns, select the columns you wish to group, for example these 4, right click on it, view more column actions, and group columns A to E. And now just click this minus button and it will group this over here and over here. And this is how you group rows and columns. I hope this was helpful to you. If it is, let me know in the comments below. Watch some other my video if you want, I don't know. But have a nice day. Bye bye.